Hello students, I am Jaswinder Kaur working as an English teacher at MET Higher Secondary School Sopor. Today I am going to discuss a poem I Cannot Remember My Mother by Rabindranath Tagore. Firstly, I would like to give a short introduction about the poet Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was born on 7th May 1861 in Kolkata and he died on 7th August 1941. Rabindranath Tagore was a poet, a philosopher, a painter, and a composer. He also wrote many novels and dramas. Rabindranath Tagore composed the national anthem of India. He also composed the national anthem of Bangladesh. He won the Nobel Prize in 1913 for his famous book Gitanjali. Now move towards the poem I Cannot Remember My Mother. The poet had lost his mother in his early childhood. Now how he expresses his emotions, his love, his feelings, let's see in the poem. First paragraph, the poet says, I cannot remember my mother. Only sometimes in the midst of my play, a tune seems to hover over my playthings, the tune of some song that she used to hum while rocking my cradle. Midst is in the middle. Plaything, toys, hum to make continue low sound. Cradle, a small bed for a baby. Now in the first paragraph, the poet had lost her mother when he was only a child, so he cannot recall her face. That is how she looked. But at time when he is playing with his toys, the tune of the song which has mother crooned while rocking his cradle, seen lurking around his toys. In paragraph, I cannot remember my mother, but when in the early autumn morning, the smell of Shuli flower floats in the air. The scent of the morning service in the temple comes to me as the scent of my mother. Autumn is here, the season of the air that comes between summer and winter. And Shuli, a common small white flower used in puja. Scent is fragrance. The poet again says that he is not able to recall how her mother looked. What he remembers about her is the fragrance of the Shuli flower that filled the air when she carried these flowers to the temple for her daily worship every morning during the autumn season. Now, in the last paragraph, I cannot remember my mother. Only when from my bedroom window I send my eyes into the blue of the distant sky, I feel that the stillness of my mother's gaze on my face has spread all over the sky. Distance is far away. Stillness, silence. Gaze, to look steadily for a long time. Now, the poet once again says that he cannot recollect the face of his mother, but when he looks at the open sky through the window of his bedroom, he feels that the silent gaze of his mother has filled the environment and that she is gazing at her with fixed eye. Now, let's summarize this poem. The poem I Cannot Remember My Mother is written by an Indian writer Rabindranath Tagore. The poem is about the sensitive and vague feelings of the child. In this poem, the poet expresses his inability to actually recall the face or the features of his mother, but often a smell or a tune triggered off in him happy moments that he shared with his mother as a child. He remembers all the things that his mother used to do. When he looks at his playthings, he seems to be able to hear a tune. Perhaps his mother often sang the same song as she recalls this tune as he touches his old toys. His mother would string the Shuli flower for the morning service at the temple, so the powerful fragrance of the flower would trigger off in happy memories of his mother. He can recall the quiet Srini's gaze of his mother when he looks at the vast expanse of the clear blue sky. The simple verse of the poem reveals the deep-seated emotional bonding that the poet had with his mother. It makes us realize the impact of his mother's dignity upon recalls experience of his infancy and preschool days. I hope you students understand it very well. Thank you.